This is the trailing Abutilon, Abutilon megapotamicum, and it has yellow flowers, much smaller than a lot of the other Abutilons. And I don't know why they call this one the trailing one. They all seem to kind of flop, and they can be trained as climbers. They are quite floppy, and here it's been cut back quite a lot because they tend to kind of just fall into other shrubs and maybe layer themselves into the ground. It's quite tall, maybe 10 feet high or something like that, covered in flowers, and it will be covered in flowers right up until the frost. It has, it's only really just started flowering recently, and it just carries on all through the summer and the autumn, right up until the cold weather starts. But it is a bit delicate. They come from Paraguay, Brazil, and Argentina. They do need kind of warmth and shelter here. It's in like a walled garden, so it's protected from cold winds, it's protected from frosts, it's in a south-facing valley, but it is kind of like in semi-shade. It quite like semi-shade, and just stunning. You do get quite a lot of different kinds of Abutilon, and they are all a bit kind of subtropical and delicate. But if you've got like next to a sunny wall or somewhere kind of protected, it's will grow. This one's been here a very long time, and apparently have edible flowers. There's quite a lot of flowers on this. If I just get one from deep inside the bush, when you'll notice. Let's see, there's one. And just give it a little try. It's a bit like, ooh, if you look at it, it's a bit like a hibiscus flower with this big bit in the middle here. The male stamens down the bottom, the female bits at the top. Just try a petal. Quite sweet. It's not bad actually. There's a bit more. Quite crunchy. Yeah, that's quite nice actually. Yeah. I mean, if you could grow one of these, they are nice. You know, because a lot of flowers that come from colder climates tend to have a season. But this one, yeah, and it just carries on. A lot of these tropical plants, subtropical plants, they just flower for ages, you know. So if you can grow them, they are very, very good, and they don't really need much attention. They keep all the weeds down, really solid vegetation, and they just look stunning.